How to set your own ringtone on a RealMe NARzo 50A phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to set your own ringtone on a RealMe NARzo 50A phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Navigate to Settings, scroll down, tap on Sound and Vibration. Now tap on Ringtone and here you need to simply choose Personal at top right corner of your screen. Choose the SIM slot like SIM 1 or SIM 2 if prompted and turn on the button if you wish to keep the ringtone same as SIM 1. Rather, you need to toggle it off and here you need to choose the custom ringtone. Select on this device and here you will find out music and recordings. You can easily choose the recordings and then record any song of your choice and then select that and set it as ringtone. You can easily do the same thing from your file manager as well. Open File Manager application on your device. Now you simply need to look for your audio file and then long press on that particular file and then tap on the More button and you can easily set it as ringtone as well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.